Hello everybody, this is Justin with Shock Therapy, and I'm here to show you how to install the PRP storage overhead bag in a Honda Talon 1000X or 1000R. In particular with the new Honda, there's very little room on the inside of the car, especially when it comes to the accessories and other items you want to take on a long trip. These bags give you a place to hold all of your important items and also make it very easy to pull them in and out of the car depending on the trip and how you want to organize the stuff inside the bag. We're going to have Lauren show you how to install these bags, which is a very easy thing to do on our shop car, a 1000R. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
When installing the overhead bags, remember they're side specific. We're going to start with the driver's side first. First, start by mounting the front Velcro strap. Next, mount both rear Velcro straps. Now you can mount all three side Velcro straps. Repeat these steps for the opposite side.
As we said, the installation of these bags is very easy, as Lauren just showed you. One of the main features of these bags are multiple zippers and extra storage that the car does not have factory. They're very durable, water resistant, and made from marine grade vinyl. One of the things that we found very nice when we were using these bags in Baja is the quick and easy way that they can come out of the car, go into the trailer, you can organize all your stuff and put it right back in the car. For more great storage solutions for the Honda 1000X and R, visit prpseats.com.